Explaining shit, dude. I don't want to be part of this thing.
I
don't care about like why you would fucking wear shorts and fucking black socks instead of white socks. Like no one gives a fuck.
I only wear shorts because I can't afford pants. Alright, here we go. I wanted to be a nice person. There's actually 2 subs here. I got you a sub for free, man.
No, you did not. It's just you got one for before and you got one for after.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah.
No, one of them's for you.
Yeah.
Cold cut. Yeah, we got the food there, and honestly, we're going to be doing some subarctic freezing our wasses off farm viewing it out.
See, this is why people don't like your shit.
What?
No one wants to.
What's going on, guys? Finally here at Chip. Just at the gym and all that. Got the food in the fridge. Got Mike a sub for free. It wasn't both for me. Anyways, I wanted to explain. Remember when we were at Trevor's drinking the well water? There was like 3 or 4 Fords being worked on. This was after 11th grade last day. You got pissed off at your truck. You were literally going to rear us into a barrier under a bridge because you were so mad.
Yeah.
You're like, I'm not going out alone. That was your old green truck, 4.9 inline 6.
You guys are lucky.
But do you remember this? All right, we're at Trevor's, and Trevor's just like talking to Moser and all that, and I think the truck's already taken care of, or it was a little bit before that, and the guy came to help. The guy that came shirtless with like a camo hat on his tractor, and he had the front plate on the front of the little like lawnmower tractor. Do you remember that?
Yeah.
That was awesome, dude.
I think he lived across the street or something.
And if you know by front plate, we mean the British flag.
Yeah. Union Jack.
The Southern
British flag. Cringe. Yeah, but what you say, asshole. You're supposed to support me.
Oh, it zoomed into my face. Hey, you guys. Alright, so it's still the polar vortex, right? Is it still on?
I don't know.
Or it's really cold nonetheless. What is it, 15 degrees with the wind chill? I can feel the hairs. It's a little windy. I could feel the hairs on my face being frozen. Dude, people in Texas and California, I'm not joking about this at all. As soon as it hits like 55 or 60, they're cranking the heat up and they're freezing. Like they'll put coats on and stuff. Yeah. That's the difference. We live out here in the barren waste called Pennsylvania. Bar. Necessitator, Caminar, Travelahar.
Barely. And it's not focusing.
Straight. Hold on.
Alright, now I can kind of see you. Go.
Really?
It's recording.
How about now?
Yeah, now it's just really weird though. And now it's not focused.
How about now?
Now it is.
Now?
Yes. No, you keep fucking it up.
Should I just turn it off? Full size comparison. It's bigger, way bigger than my head, and I got a pretty big head. But yeah, just gotta yell into this for a second here. Yep, and as you can see, my exhaust is about to rust off. And it looks like it's already starting to rust by the bolt on the end of this tip, unfortunately. So let's try to just install this on there. Right. Hold on. Alright, it's gonna sit a little low, but it looks pretty good. And there it goes. There it is, right there. Let me get a good picture of that one right there. That's nice. Yeah, I guess that car just has too much horsepower for it to really hold up. So, yeah, there it is, the exhaust tip. My favorite thing in the world right there. But, yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the sound of that. I thought it sounded pretty good to me. Especially being, you know, pretty old car, and everything else is pretty much upgraded when it comes to, you know, the mold and the inside. And yeah, it's just a great day, man. Hope you guys enjoyed. And like I said, quality over quantity is what I stand by now when it comes to videos. And yeah, got a long way back. Hopefully we can make it out because it's a pretty muddy way back. Let's just say that here in Pennsylvania. Out here in Pennsylvania, it's pretty nice. So let me know. Have a nice day. I love you. Have a nice day. And Super Bowl, Super Bowl, Super Bowl, Super Bowl. There we go, brand new Silverado headlights, and as you can see, they're super blue.